Thank you very much. I think even Twitter itself, 2 days ago, uh, gave what I would call a progress report on our talks with them. And I think if I want to quote them rightly, they say it's been productive and quite respectful. And as to the qualifying, when, how soon is soon, right? I want to assure you that the time that Twitter's operation has been suspended, between the time it has been suspended and when it will be, restored, is by far much, much shorter. That I can assure you that is by far. In other words, if they've been, if the operation has been suspended for about 100 days now, I can tell that we're just actually talking about a few more days. All we're trying to do is, the exchanges have been going on, but we need to dot the I's and also cross the T's. But I can assure Nigerians that we're not unmindful of the anxiety of Nigerians, and both parties, are working very hard to put a closure on the matter. And like Twitter itself said, the exchanges have been very, very productive on both parties. It has not been adversarial at all, and it's quite, it's quite respectful. Thank you very much. Honestly, we have gone very far. I won't be specific, but we've gone very far. And honestly, it's going to be very, very soon. And just take my word for that. Pardon? Pardon? You thought you were dealing with he said what? No, look, honestly, I can't be more specific than what I've told you. It's going to be very, very soon. Thank you.